I'm ready to jump the Raptor R. We're having all types of trouble here. Well, and welcome back to the channel, and I hope this message finds you all well and in great spirits. You're probably asking why I'm talking so weird. Well, it's because now I'm officially a Lord. That's right, you can call me now Lord StangMode, because why? Here it is. It's official. It's proclaimed. Because Established Titles, guys, we're so excited because Established Title has officially named me Lord StangMode. And what's cool is I officially own 1 square foot of land in Scotland. And what's great about that is in Scotland, when you're a landowner, you're called a lord or a lady if you're a woman, obviously. But I got this cool plaque. What's great about Established Titles is they did all the paperwork. So I'm officially a landowner in Scotland. Me. Wow, that's awesome. I can't wait to go visit it. It's so exciting. What's cool is you can be too. And they will also plant a tree in your honor. It's such a good cause. It's so great. All you got to do is go to Established Titles /StangMode, link in the description, and here below you can be a lord or lady yourself. It's feel good. It's a great conversation starter. And what's cool about it is you get this nice plaque. Again, this is only happening right now. You can use code StangMode. It's a great Black Friday sale. Supports the channel they're running. We want to thank you so much to Established Title for sponsoring this video. Become a lord. Let's build our kingdom StangMode all the way in Scotland. All right, guys, and just to let me unpack it a little bit further, remember, Established Titles is a fun way and a novel way to preserve the natural woodlands of Scotland while helping global restoration efforts. It's a project based in a historic Scottish custom where landowners are referred to as lords or ladies. And you get a unique plot number. You can see it over here on a private estate in Edelston, Scotland, and it's official certificate with a crest. You can get there, and you can also include the Lord title on your credit cards, plane tickets, and even for your dating app. So that's pretty cool, and it makes a last-minute gift. Remember, they have a code. Use code StangMode, 10% off for Black Friday. And the first 200 people purchasing a title pack can use my link in the description, and you'll be next to my plot. Within a few minutes of walking distance, we can make Kingdom StangMode in Scotland. So check it out. Go now, and you'll be happy. All right. These are the dunes. These are sand dunes. This is like the desert, but you can see we're all here. There's a bunch of raptors everywhere. So we're gonna be jumping these, going through the sand dunes, having so much fun, because that is what the Raptor R is made for. It's not just it's great on-road, but it's made for the off-road. Made for this, the trails, the dunes, the whoops, the everything. So you can see, I can look down here, you can see there's already, we got our boots on, but this is pretty cool. It is pretty cold. It's about 6 in the morning right now. It's Michigan, it's 30 some degrees. But when you turn around over there, I don't know if you can see, but the sun is going to be rising soon. So that's pretty exciting. Let's take a look at some of the vehicles here. These are all Raptor R's. So every color, every spec is here. What's cool, these flags are actually part of the off-road parks rules, because it's going to be hard to see if you're going up and down a dune where another vehicle is. So you don't want to be doing a jump and hit somebody. So be live bullets today. So they said jumps, they said donuts. We're going to do our best to bring it to you. So please enjoy, stay tuned. Hopefully I don't roll over. You guys might like that video though. But all right, guys, please support. Let's go. All right. All right, here we go, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is so cool. Well, this is an opportunity to see what these trucks really can do.
They're definitely not holding back.
Here we go. We're going almost 70 miles an hour on the sand.
I can't record.
Whoa! Exactly, good call. Those 37-inch wheels, the travel is just right. I mean, you could probably do this with the 35s, but it's so much more confidence inspiring with the 37s.
It's hooking and booking, honestly.
Hey guys. Oh wow, here we go.
We're not done yet.
Woo!
I don't know if everybody's having as much fun as we do, but definitely got the wow.
I don't know where everybody else is at, but it's a ton of fun.
Taps.
All right. That was incredible. That was incredible. Oh my gosh. There's a cheat code. I'm not even, what I was explaining in the video was, I was able to follow the leader, but the truck is so capable, it's actually just point and go. It's amazing.
And I can't record much because I'm just like jumping like a bouncy doll.
Wow. Guys, right here is beautiful Lake Michigan. Enjoy. Raptor R.
Dope.
Jump the Raptor R. So am I good just to head out, start the jump, or? And I'm ready to jump the Raptor R. I meant these cheeks are squeezed together, by the way. Get your minds out the sand, or as the kids say, the gutter. Okay.
Ready, man?
Yep. Baja mode.
So the 4 blue cones are the takeoff.
Okay.
We're gonna shoot for 50 miles an hour.
Okay.
If you go slower than 50, it'll be perfectly fine. Everybody's gonna get 2 jumps, and you just want to maintain like a light throttle as you're going off. You don't need to goose it, but you don't need to drop off either. Just
okay.
try to be smooth through the takeoff.
All right.
Then loop it back around.
All right. Sounds good to me.
All right,
Thanks.
Shoot for 50. All right.
All right. All right, he said shoot for 50, so. Shoot. I'm trying to shoot for 50, but we're having all types of trouble here. Jeez. Jeez. Well, that's what we do. So. Well, that was incredible. Well,
All day long?
that was crazy. That was good.
Looked phenomenal.
That was awesome.
You may have been 51 miles.
I think I said 75.
You got it?
Yeah, we got that. We got it in slow-mo. Everybody was like, you ran like fast.
Yeah,
It was 51.
we call it a 51 on the clock, but I think it said 75 when it
No, it was a good
But
jump.
no, it was good.
Okay.
Shoot, you want to go?
No, I'm good.
I'll go one more.
All right. Go again.
Should I? You think we just stop here? This is our luck.
I mean, no, you're fine.
We were going a little fast. So we're gonna try to be a little smoother this time. I think I was going, they said 50, I think I was going 60. So. That was much smoother.
Oh, that one was good.
All right, that was good.
So how
Which
was
one was
that?
better?
Huh?
Which one's a better jump?
They were both good. You're now encouraging people to go faster.
Yeah. No. He said 50. I was like, let's do 55.
Did 75 total.
No, it was good. No, it was like we did it with our own Raptor.
How
So-
was it compared to the one you did? Because like the surface is different. The track
This is much smoother, much softer. That is like, that is grass.
Yeah,
So,
of course.
no, it was good. All right.
Yeah.
Raptor R, Jump City.